Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining us today in this episode as we're going to actually do an unboxing video of this new pit barrel cooker that I got from Grand Zines. Now, unfortunately, while we're recording this video, I had some technical difficulties and it did not record audio. So therefore, I'm having to do some voiceover. Anyways, basically, I'm breaking down why I got this pit barrel, and I've just never had one before. Or, I guess technically I have, but it was like a knockoff Smoky Weber, or Weber Smoky Mountain, but it was a knockoff, it was a lot smaller, and just one huge fan of it. That's why I saw this pit barrel on sale. I couldn't resist getting it. It seems like it comes from a really good company, and it's pretty good quality materials used on this pit barrel. So hang with us. We're going to unbox this thing. This is a little bit of a long video, but I'm excited. Hey, and don't forget, if you enjoy this video, hit the like button. Give me a subscribe. All right, guys. Well, we'll let you get back to the action. See you in a bit. Okay, so to start off, obviously you gotta be able to open the box, and I dropped the knife right off the bat. So, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and cut this box open and see what's in it. Okay, so first things first, you open it up, and they have basically like a welcome package. Going to have several different things in it, and during the process of making the video I pretty much go over them. Now, one of the first things right off the bat that's on the top that you get with the pit barrel is their rub. It's, I guess, made by them and packaged and shipped with your pit barrel. So right off the bat, if you're ready to use this thing, you don't even have to go out and buy any rub. Just throw it on your meat. So that's pretty cool. They have two different kinds. One of them is a beef and game pit rub, and then the other one I think is just like a general all-purpose rub. And I have used the all-purpose rub already in another video, which will be coming out pretty soon, so I'll let you know how that stuff tastes. And I'm sure, I'll definitely put links to Pit Barrel Cooking Company in my description, and that way y'all can check them out if you're interested in getting something like this. Now, proceeding on with that right there, that's kind of like it's going to have the welcome guide. It also has a pit barrel instruction manual, I guess. You got the lid handle assembly that's in there. And then they have a little discount card for ThermoWorks, their ThermaPen MK4 Instant Read, which I'm seriously thinking about getting one of those. And plus, with that little card that they came in, you get 10% off if you use the code that's on the back. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to actually put a link to that as well in the description, the ThermoWorks. So anyways, proceeding on, there's their little welcome guide there. It's going to have, tells you about the pit barrel itself, recipes. It shows, they have quite a few different rubs. And then also what other accessories you can get with this barbecue pit. And I'll tell you the one thing that I'm probably going to end up getting sooner rather than later is their hinged grate. I kind of want that. So, and then they have an attachable ash pan that you can get as well. So those are probably going to be two things I'm definitely going to look into getting. Carrying on, right there is just kind of a welcome card, I guess, from the owners. This is how I'm picking it. Noah and Amber Glanville. That's just kind of a nice little welcome card. So the first thing that's on top is the lid. And I got to tell you, this is pretty thick gauge metal. It's nice. It's got a nice paint job on it. This thing came from the box in really good condition. The packaging was done well, and it was protected during shipment wherever they shipped it from. Like I said before, I got this this specific one from Grand Zines. I was in the store. I've been wanting to get one of these, and they had them on sale for $249.99, and I couldn't pass it up. I bought it. So, all right, moving on. They did zip tie their several things to the barbecue pit and everything, making it kind of difficult to get things out. I finally figured it out and said, hey, I got to cut some of these zip ties to be able to pull the rest of the stuff out. And that's kind of what I'm working on right now. Yep. Now, you do get a, let's see what I pull out here first. Some more packaging stuff. But you do get a charcoal basket with this pit, which is nice. It's a really nice basket. It's thick gauge. I'm thinking I'm pulling that out right now. Nope, that's actually the stand for your pit barrel cooker, and that goes on the bottom, and then you actually put the barrel on top of that, and that's the stand for it. Here you got your 18-inch grate. It's nice, you know, it's nothing special, but it is 18-inch, just in case y'all are wondering. Okay, now that's just a box of nothing. And then what else do we have in here? Ah, here it is. That's the actual charcoal basket, which I like. Like I said, it's well made. It seems like it's gonna last for a while, as long as, you know, you're not letting this thing sit in the rain or something. But I do plan on buying a cover for this pit barrel, which they do have custom fit covers that'll protect your pit barrel cooker from the elements and keep it looking pristine. And that comes in black with an elastic bottom for a snug fit. So that's one thing I am going to be buying pretty quickly. You know, I can say one thing that makes me excited about this is I want to do a smoked turkey. So this Thanksgiving, which is about 2 months away, I am going to be doing a smoked turkey. And they have turkey hangers, and it's great for the turkey, the chicken, the duck, the geese, any poultry. And it's a 2-piece hanger, and it's the ultimate device for cooking your birds. This process is simple, and the results are delicious. You'll never fry or put them in the oven again. That kind of comes on the box for their turkey hanger. But if this pit barrel works out the way I want to, I'll definitely be putting some turkey in it this year. Now, I will say one thing. This pit barrel cooker is not that heavy, which is nice if you want to take it with you on a trip or something. It's pretty manageable, the weight, and you know, it's not really bulky, so it's kind of nice. You know, I plan on taking it with me over to a friend's house or something if we're doing a cook there or whatever. But that's one thing that is pretty nice about that, is it's not going to break your back trying to load it in the truck, unlike my offset smoker, which it takes 2 or 3 people to get in the back of the truck. So okay, so now we're going to put this thing together. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think there's some directions somewhere. I did quickly glance over those, but there really is a big thing to this thing. So right here, this little deal here, you can put your bottle opener in there. I don't actually have one right now to put on here, but I'm definitely going to be getting one. So anyways, let's go ahead and open a couple of these packages and see what's all in here. I know this one, it's labeled one lid horseshoe handle, and then that's 8 stainless steel hooks that come with this thing. Yeah, there we go. I didn't need to go get a Phillips screwdriver. It came with one, so that's a plus. Alright, here's our stainless steel hooks. A little package of nuts and bolts and stuff. I'm assuming that's probably for the handle. And then wrench. So, and that's going to go on the lid right here. I'm going to try to make this pretty quick. I know you'll probably really care about this. So, let's see. Yeah, definitely off center. And I think it's off center because it's a horseshoe, and that'll center it up on the deal. So if you do it this way, then you're way off center. If you do it this way, it centers the handle up. So just take a look at where these screw holes are and just line that sucker up. Boom, like that. And that way you're centered. If you do it the wrong way, you're way off center. So anyways, that's how you do it. We'll throw this together, see how fast I can do this. Yep. There it is. Slide this out, washer. Oh boy. I'm gonna look like an idiot in this video. Oh well. Well, yeah. I'm just gonna get these things on here started and tighten them. Washer, then nut. Pretty simple, pretty standard. Let's see. I got it. I'm just gonna hand tighten it. I don't know if you necessarily need that wrench. I'll get this pretty tight without it. But it does come with it. So there you go. Oh, yeah, it's kind of loose still. I don't know where I place that wrench. There, that snuck it up. So, now, our hanging rods. Ooh, what else? Something else in here. Let's see. I don't know what this is yet, but I'm sure we're gonna find out. Oh yeah. So it basically looks like two pieces of rebar painted. Okay. These I know go through here. Just like that. Then you take your hooks that it comes with. Yep. Those suckers off, and boom. Here you go. And you can hang all kinds of stuff with these. So, chicken, ribs. Pretty excited about this one. So there it is, that's that. If I was cooking right now, I'd feel like an idiot. That's my charcoal that's inside here. Good and sturdy. Don't have to worry about that. Let me take these out. I kind of jumped the gun on these hooks and the bar. Got excited. Where you put the charcoal, drop it down in here. Bada bing, bada boom. You switch your grate on. Yep. So, there it is. That's it. Nice little handle. Your pit boss, or your pit barrel is ready to rock and roll. It's got one little vent down here. I'm interested to see how this thing holds temperature. I'm sure it's going to hold temperature just fine. I'm going to have to play with it a little bit, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. This pretty much does it for it. Let me know what you think. I've got a pretty good idea of the first thing I'm going to cook on this. But if you got any ideas or suggestions, let me know. But there it is, man. My new pit barrel. Can't wait to season it and get it to rocking and rolling. See y'all on the next video. Hey, also, if y'all liked it, or if you enjoyed this video, please like it and hit the subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. But thanks, and y'all have a good week.